Hello guys, my name is Vilvin and this is the C walkthrough. Today we will talk about special characters and printf. If you remember, in previous episode we were using printf function to print out hello world. But at the end of this hello world we have some strange subsequence, \n here. What does it mean? It means new line. If I will remove it and then compile and run, we will get hello world with no new line at the end. So I will paste it on its place. This sequence called special character, and new line is not the only special character in C. For example, with this syntax I can use \, I can set quote in the middle of this text, and for me this is enough. So let's talk about printf. Printf is called so because it is used to print out formatted text. How does it work? As the first argument we have string, format string. Here I can use format specifiers. What is format specifier? Format specifier starts with % character and followed with some sequence. For example, if I want to print out some number, if this number have no fractional part, like this 0 at the end of our int main, we can use %d, d for decimal. Then, where did printf will take this decimal? From the next arguments in original order. For me, I want to print out 5, and do not forget about new line. Let's compile it and run. Hooray, 5. This way, I can print every type presented in C. For instance, I can print out string. Let's print out hello world. Okay, compile, run, hooray! Now we have hello world program. But what if I want to print out separate words? Like this. Hello, one word. Let's add another. Now I will get hello world with no space in the middle. To add this space, I can use following thing. Let's think about it. Simplest thing we can do is to place space here. Now, if we will compile and run it, we will get space here. Okay. But what if I, for some reason, do not want to place here space and want every string to take 10 places, for instance? I can specify it like this with placing number between % and specifier. Now every string will take 10 places, no matter how long it is. But if it is longer than this number, let me place here 1 and 10. Length of word hello is 5 characters, but here I place 1. What will happen? Nothing critical. Word hello just taking 5 places because it can't be stored in one character. So now that's all about printf and special characters. In the next episode we will talk about variables. Thank you for watching and see you later.